Not the party, don't stop till I want you. Don't stop, make it loud, play the doorbell tonight on the clock, but
Toe jammer.
I got a new pet. Her name is Kylie. She likes to sit down a lot. That's what the pets told me. That's what the vet told me. She kind of looks like a little fox, but she's a cute little baby. She's a cute little cat. I keep them on adopt you guys, but I just don't show them out there. You're cute with the flashlight on her. Shut up, that's a cat. So if there's a white spot on the eyes, it's so cute. I wish there was white spots on her eye, but like, yeah, she just stares into you so. Yeah. I'm just telling you guys on YouTube that I have a new pet and her name is Kylie. Say hi, Kylie. Kylie, aka Riley. Kylie, aka Riley, or Chloe. That's so cute. If you want to follow me on Roblox, it's Maddyluvswuvs, and I hope you enjoyed the video because my baby did about talking about it. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the video, because I did. And if you wanted to follow me, if you see a person on Roblox with a white skin, orange hair, and white skin, orange hair, and a crop top that looks like the pants. You and a fish that looks like this. Do it. You can't do it? Oh. With that, follow me. That's my accounts on Roblox. So you gotta go follow me. Okay, bye guys. Bye kids. Hope you have a safe day. Say bye. 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 Hold on. Okay. Bye. There you go. Bye guys. Love you.